Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create formula in Google Sheets. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and I have created a table as well. And for example, I'm going to look for the average of the score. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the cell like this, and after that we can enter the formula. Don't forget to put the equal symbol before you enter your formula. Then I'm going to use average function on the Google Sheets. Then after that, we can select the range. It's from B3 cell until B12 cell. And after we are done, we can click on this check mark button. Alright, and for another example, I'm going to look for the minimum score. So I'm just going to click on the cell right here, then put equal, and I'm going to use minimum function like this and just select the range like this. And after we are done, we can click on this check mark button. Alright guys, and for the maximum score, so we are going to repeat the same step. So just type equal, then max function, then select the range like this. Alright, and after we're done, we can click on this check mark. Alright guys, and that's how we can create formula in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.